Do you dream of exuding elegance and sophistication like old money women? It's not about wealth. It's about mastering quiet luxury, timeless style, and grace. In 2024, 2025, this look is more relevant than ever. Let's uncover the wardrobe staples, grooming habits, and lifestyle choices to make it your signature. The old money aesthetic transcends fleeting trends, embodying refinement, confidence, and intentionality. This guide will teach you how to curate a wardrobe, accessorize thoughtfully, and embrace habits that radiate elegance. Whether you're refining your style or starting fresh, you'll discover everything you need to embody quiet luxury in 2024/2025. Stay with us as we explore the secrets of timeless elegance, wardrobe essentials, and grooming tips that define the old money aesthetic. You'll gain practical, actionable advice to transform your look and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive insights into style and sophistication for modern women. 1. Wardrobe. Staples, the foundation of timeless elegance. A refined wardrobe is the cornerstone of the old money aesthetic. It emphasizes timeless pieces that reflect quality, intentionality, and versatility. Let's break down the must-haves. Tops. A crisp white button-down shirt is a non-negotiable staple. Look for high-quality fabrics like cotton or silk to ensure durability and a luxurious feel. Pair it with tailored trousers for a polished look, or tuck it into a pleated skirt for casual chic. Silk blouses in neutral shades like champagne, ivory, or pale blue are equally essential. These tops drape elegantly, transitioning seamlessly from day to evening. Cashmere sweaters add warmth and sophistication to your wardrobe. Choose neutral tones such as camel, beige, or navy. These soft, luxurious pieces pair effortlessly with pleated skirts, tailored trousers, or even dark wash denim for a smart casual look. Bottoms. Tailored trousers are a must for creating a structured, elegant silhouette. Wool trousers work well for winter, while linen trousers are perfect for warmer seasons. Pleated midi skirts add femininity and grace, pairing beautifully with sweaters, blouses, or blazers. Outerwear. Outerwear is one of the most iconic aspects of the old money aesthetic. A beige trench coat is versatile, exuding polish while remaining functional. For winter, invest in a long wool coat in camel or charcoal. Blazers in neutral tones are also essential for layering and adding structure to any outfit. Dresses. Midi dresses in classic cuts like A-line, wrap, or sheath styles are perfect for achieving timeless elegance. Opt for fabrics like silk, linen, or wool, and stick to neutral tones or subtle patterns. These dresses can be dressed up with pearls and heels, or kept casual with flats. Shoes. Leather loafers and ballet flats are practical yet stylish choices for daily wear. For formal occasions, pointed toe pumps in neutral tones like nude or black are ideal. In colder months, knee-high leather boots add both warmth and sophistication. By focusing on these wardrobe staples, you'll create a foundation that embodies quiet luxury and timeless sophistication. 2. Accessories, the art of subtle refinement. Accessories elevate your look, serving as subtle expressions of your attention to detail. The old money aesthetic relies on thoughtful, understated choices that enhance without overpowering. Jewelry. Pearls are iconic in old money fashion. Whether it's a strand necklace, pearl studs, or a delicate bracelet, they add timeless elegance to any outfit. Gold jewelry is equally significant. Opt for minimalist designs like thin chains, small hoop earrings, or sleek bangles. Avoid loud or oversized pieces. Subtlety is key. Handbags. A structured leather handbag is a staple accessory. Choose neutral tones like black, taupe, or cognac for maximum versatility. Iconic designs like the Hermes Kelly or Chanel 2.55 are synonymous with this aesthetic, but you can achieve the same effect with well-crafted, vintage-inspired pieces. Focus on craftsmanship over logos. Watches. A classic timepiece combines style with practicality. Look for minimalist designs with leather or metallic straps. Iconic brands like Cartier or Rolex epitomize old money sophistication, but well-made alternatives can also work. Shoes as accessories. Footwear doubles as an accessory in this aesthetic. Neutral tone ballet flats, leather loafers, or pointed toe pumps enhance your outfit without distracting from it. Knee-high boots are ideal for colder months, adding elegance to winter ensembles. Accessories in the old money aesthetic should enhance your overall look without drawing unnecessary attention. Thoughtful, well-chosen pieces reflect your commitment to quiet sophist. Skincare. Radiant, healthy skin is the foundation of timeless beauty. Invest in a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and daily sunscreen application. When it comes to makeup, embrace minimalism. A light foundation, a touch of blush, and neutral eyeshadow create a natural, polished look. Add a classic nude or red lip for a refined finish. Nails. Your nails should always be neat and understated. Neutral shades like pale pink, beige, or clear polish are ideal. A French manicure is a classic choice that pairs beautifully with any outfit. Avoid bold nail art or dramatic shapes as they clash with the simplicity of this aesthetic. Posture and poise. True elegance is as much about how you carry yourself as what you wear. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Walk gracefully and maintain calm, composed body language. These small adjustments convey quiet confidence. Fragrance. A signature scent adds an invisible layer of sophistication. Opt for light, elegant fragrances with floral, woody, or citrus notes. Subtlety is key. A faint hint of perfume leaves a lasting impression without overwhelming. By focusing on grooming and demeanor, you'll embody the confidence and refinement that define the old money aesthetic. 4. Lifestyle choices. Living the old money way. The old money aesthetic isn't just about appearances. It's a lifestyle rooted in intentionality, intellectual pursuits, and quiet luxury. Social etiquette. Old money. Women are known for their grace and poise in social settings. Practice active listening, show genuine interest in others, and maintain a calm demeanor. Polished manners reflect your upbringing and attention to detail. Hobbies and interests. Cultivate hobbies that align with sophistication and refinement. Consider activities like equestrian sports, tennis, or sailing. Intellectual pursuits, such as reading classics, visiting art galleries, or attending cultural events, enhance your knowledge and appreciation for the finer things in life. Home aesthetics. Your living space should reflect the same elegance as your wardrobe. Opt for timeless decor. Persian rugs, antique furniture, and art pieces add character and sophistication. Neutral color palettes with subtle accents create a serene and luxurious atmosphere. Travel. Embrace a love for travel, focusing on experiences that enrich your understanding of culture and history. Stay in heritage hotels, explore museums, and immerse yourself in the traditions of different regions. Investing in quality. Whether it's your clothing, home decor, or experiences, prioritize quality over quantity. This approach reflects a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and intentionality, hallmarks of the old money lifestyle. By adopting these lifestyle habits, you'll not only look the part but live it fully, embodying the elegance and confidence of old money women. Conclusion. The old money aesthetic is a blend of timeless style, refined grooming, and intentional living. By curating your wardrobe, perfecting your grooming habits, and embracing an elegant lifestyle, you'll radiate quiet luxury and sophistication. Remember, true elegance doesn't shout, it whispers. Now it's your turn to embrace this timeless charm.